Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. This is the last activity of today. We have got to find out what we learned about pigs. So, well, not what we've learned, but what you guys already know about pigs. So, I have my pig chart here, and I'm going to read what you all came up with. We had a lot of information, and I was so proud of every one of you who participated. Okay, so here's my pig chart. Okay, pigs eat grass, roll in the mud, jump in the mud, say oink, oink, eat slop, snort. They do snort, don't they? Yes, they do. They live on a farm. They go in the barn sometimes, don't they? They like mud. They have mud in their cage. They have curly ears, have circle nose, don't they? Circle nose, curvy ears, have swirly tails. You can't see it here, but they're usually looking like, let me show you. Usually their tails are looking like curly, aren't they? Kind of swirly. Most of the time they are dirty. Sometimes they are clean, but most of the time they are dirty. Female pigs, which are what? Girl pigs. Female pigs have babies and we call them piglets. Pigs squeak and they squeal, don't they? They are a beautiful pink. Some of you said they are pink and some of you said they are a beautiful pink. There are big and small pigs. Some are big, some are small. We can have pigs as a pet. They eat plants. They like to get messy. We can wash pigs. And that's all that everybody came up with. So Mrs. Hensley is going to read a story about pigs. Okay? So it is called Pigs, and it is written and illustrated by Sherry Doyle. This is a nonfiction book. Do we know why it's nonfiction? Because everything in here is real. It's true. Okay? They're facts. And so when something is real, when we're reading a book and it's real, or photographs, it is nonfiction. That means it's true. Okay, the stories that we read, like Mrs. Wishy-Washy and Mrs. Wishy-Washy's Farm, those are all fiction because we know animals can't really talk, can they? No, they can't. Okay, Pigs. Pigs by Sherry Doyle. Oh, there's our table of contents. You guys, by the time you leave my classroom and by the time you go to first grade, you're going to know what a table of contents is. And guess what? Table of contents is doesn't even have to be taught in kindergarten. Usually learn that in first or second grade. So you're learning something that the first graders may not even know yet. Okay? So table of contents, if we wanted to meet the pigs, we would go to page 4. If we wanted to see what they were talking about on the farm, we would go to page 8. New life, page 14. Playtime, 16. Time to rest, page 20. And the glossaries where all the words, the vocabulary words, where we can get the definitions. Okay? And I'll read those a little bit later. Here we go. Meet the pigs. The morning sun shines on the farmyard. Oink! Here come some pigs. They sniff the ground with their snouts. Snouts. What's a snout? They're sniffing with their snout. What do you think that would be? Their nose, right? Right. Good for you. Oh, look at this big old pig. Pigs have thick bodies covered with hair. Some pigs have ears that stick up. Others have floppy ears. Pigs walk on sturdy hooves. Ooh, they have hooves just like our horses and cows do, don't they? Hooves. Ooh, look at these. On the farm, pigs eat feed made from corn, soybeans, and other food. Ooh, so they eat feed. Some pigs graze. Ooh, what did it mean to graze? They eat, don't they? Some pigs graze in fenced pastures. Fenced pastures. When pigs get bigger, they are called hogs. Ooh, farmers raise hogs for their meat and many other products. What kind of meat do we eat that are pigs? What kind of meat do we eat? Think about that. Bacon? Bacon comes from pigs. Yum. Mrs. Hensley loves some bacon. Okay. Some hogs grow to be 1,000 pounds or 454 kilograms or more. That's as heavy as a grand piano. A grand piano is a very big piano, so that's pretty big. New life. Aw, looky there. 8 baby pigs are born. They squeal and drink milk. Females, those are girls, grow up to be sows. Males, those are boys, are called boars. Pigs can live for 15 years. That's a long time, isn't it? 15 years? Well, not a real long time, but for an animal it is. Playtime. Pigs are smart and playful. Some farmers give pigs balls to play with. Oh, Mrs. Hensley did not know that. Happy pigs grunt. Oh, I did not know they like to play with balls. Okay. The midday sun is strong. Pigs cannot sweat. They roll in mud puddles to stay cool. So the reason that they're rolling in mud puddles is because the mud keeps them nice and cool. Because it's hot when it's hot outside. Time to rest. Pigs sleep in barns. They snuggle on floors padded with straw. Ooh, they have straw that they're sleeping on. And here is our glossary. A boar is an animal male pig, which is a boy. Okay, a boar. Feed, food that comes in the form of mash or pellets. Graze, to eat grass. So they said that they like to graze, didn't it? Hog, a pig that weighs more than 120 pounds or 54 kilograms. Hoof, a pig's foot. More than one hoof is hooves. Pasture, a grassy area that pigs and other animals feed upon. Snout, a pig's nose. Sow, an adult female pig, which is a girl pig. Okay? Okay, that is all we have about pigs today. Now, Mrs. Hensley wants you to tell me all you know about sheep. Okay? Tell me all you know about sheep. I can't wait to hear. You can use your microphone or you can give me a video of yourself, okay? Microphone or video. Click the green add response button. Give me a video of yourself or the microphone voice recording. And when you are finished, hit the checkmark button to turn it in, okay? I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. This is the end of your schooling today, and I will see you bright and early in the morning, okay? Have an awesome day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.